Summer, what is this?
Read cock.
Oh, that's a word clock. And can you read?
Read cat.
Cat, very good. What is this?
Read boy.
Boy.
Read boy.
Yes, can you read? Can you read?
Read cock.
Yes, that's clock. How about this one?
Read boy.
Boy. This one?
Read boy.
Read. Can you read this?
Time.
Star, very good. This one, what is this?
Gray.
Car. And can you read this?
Boy.
Boy. What is this?
House.
House. And can you read this?
Girl.
Girl, very good. What is this?
Girl.
Girl. And can you read this?
How many books?
How many books? Okay, can you read this? Last one.
Two.
This one, can you read?
House.
This one? Cool.
Cock.
Clock, very good. This one. What is this?
Cock.
Yeah, that's a clock. Summer, what is this?
Plenty cocks.
What is this?
Star.
Star. Can you read this?
House.
No. Start with the letter F. I-S-H.
House.
No.
Die.
No.
Isn't die?
No, this one, star. How about this? Can you read?
Huh.
What is the sound of the letter F? I. S. H. Oh, can you read? Can you read again?
I
Fish.
friends.
How about this one?
Ball.
Ball.
It ball.
Can you read this?
Cat.
No? The letter R?
Oh.
Oh. Read it again.
Annie.
Can you read it again? Come on.
Yeah.
Car.
Cat. Toad. Toes.
What is this?
Fresh.
Fish. Can you read this?
Egg.
H.
Honey.
Read it. Come on.
Funny. What did he say? Blue.
Summer, read it.
RTP.
Ayaw mo na?
D.
Okay, so let's study. Can you read it?
House.
House. Very good. What is this?
Sun.
Sun. Can you read this?
Ball.
Ball. Very good. What is this?
Cat.
Cat. Can you read this?
Cat.
This one?
Foot.
Summer, look.
Foot.
Summer.
Foot.
Yeah, that's your foot. Summer, last one, huh? This is the last one. Look at the last letter. N. Summer, makinig ka? Ayaw mo na mag-study?
Daddy.
Okay, so what is this? Can you read this?
House.
No, that starts with letter S, oh? And with the letter N. Read. What is this?